Hello, fellow Fumblers. Today I want to show you a new feature called Tacklezone Overlay. First off, a huge shout out to Garg Angel, who actually implemented this feature first in his Discord spectator client. If you don't know about this, on Garg Angel's Discord you can actually watch Fumbbl games via Discord, so it also works on mobile. Pretty huge thing. If you haven't done so, check it out and try it. It is very cool. It gives you the option to enjoy Fumbbl anywhere without the need for an actual computer. So, and Garg Angel then asked me about contributing this to the client, and I was very happy that he offered to help with this. And so we integrated the same feature into the client with different settings for players and spectators, as it might be that you want to have different settings there. Let me show you what we are talking about. In the user settings, we have the tackle zones here, and as you see, there's player mode and spectator mode. Currently, I have here two player clients, so I'm going to use the player mode settings to show you how this is working. So, like for example, if the left client wanted only to see their own tackle zones, it would choose home team, and then you see here all tackle zones surrounding their own players. This can be tuned a little bit. Let's see, there's this overlap menu item. If you turn overlaps off, then you'll see suddenly it's all very homogeneous, the same color intensity, but it means that if you turn the overlap on again, then you can see that here are more tackle zones, for example, than here outside on the right. You can also combine this with the tackle zones of the other team, like saying both. See now, you can see how here are a lot of tackle zones, so it's probably not a good idea to dodge in. Here we have it's a bit purple here because, well, yeah, we have tackle zones from both teams. Like this fellow over here maybe would like something different, just saying, okay, I would like only the passive team. The passive means that the one that is currently not playing. Probably this is a better setting for the spectator mode, but we will try to see it nonetheless and show you a bit of difference. There's also a second one, passive, with both on setup. It means like if I activate this, I now see both tackle zones during setup and kickoff phases. And now we enter setup. We have a kickoff here. Awesome kickoff result during coaching, and great reroll for the goblin, sneaky ones. So, okay, we have a touch break here. So, and now we see the difference. Now just the passive team, in this case the blue one, is marked with their tackle zones. So if now we end our turn, then it swaps over to the red team. As said, this is probably more useful for spectator settings, and yeah, I figure most people will either activate both or the opponent tackle zones for their own player setting. But feel free to do so. And one more thing, yeah, you can also add a contour to your tackle zone. So if you do this, then you have an outline showing actually where the boundaries are. And since colors are sometimes a bit tricky, you can also define different colors for the tackle zone for the home and the away team. So if I use this, then let me just 1 second activate both. So we should hopefully see now. Okay, now it's green here. So even like if you have issues with seeing the colors or just don't like the colors, you can define them any way you want, and those settings are of course persisted over the games, and so this should hopefully be a cool addition. One thing, I don't know yet if this will be available in the competitive division, if Crystal will enable this, because as you see, it is some kind of an aid, and this might be a bit contradictory to the competitive nature of the division. For spectators, it will always be available, but for players, maybe not in C. But if you run your own league, then you can go here, custom rules. That's sorry. And for example, in the test division rules set, you go to client options, scroll down, and here on the left side, you see this checkbox. So it's up to the league commissioner if they want to use that or not. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this.